Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to hotcarsandcoolmotorcycles.com. This is my presentation of the Toronto Motorama from March 12th, 2016. That's me, SANDMAN, the moderator. This is the banner and the logo they used for Toronto Motorama 2016. We'll start with this 1956 Mercury Monterey Custom. Nice gold. It's a beautiful car. You should have seen it in person. Much nicer. Next was a 1970 CHEVELLESS SS Custom made. Nice blue. 1967 Charger Atom Bomb. Custom design. A second generation Pontiac GTO, highly modified, as you can tell by the LED lights and other extras they added on. 1969 CAMARO SS YENKO SC. This YENKO company only made for about 3 years, from the late mid-60s to the end of the early part of the 70s. This one's a 1970 Barracuda 446 pack. Imagine there's a few of those still out there. It's a 2010 Mustang. They did a 9.23 second quarter mile at 142.9 miles per hour. Fastest Mustang in North America. It's a 1960 Corvette with 450 horsepower with an LS 6.2 engine and a 4L60 automatic transmission. It's a 1965 Impala over a C6 Corvette frame built by FOOSE. It's a 1967 Canadian edition BEAUMONT Sport Deluxe with a 396 cubic inch automatic turbo 400 automatic transmission. It's a 1966 Chevrolet Supersport. This one's a 1970 Nova SS with 328 horsepower and a 4-speed automatic, which they added later on because they didn't have 4 speeds back in 1970. 1972 ELCAMINO, the original small truck. Here's a very special car. It's the Buick GNX. This is one of 547 ever made. A lot of these special edition GNX cars were used by police forces when they first came out. 1966 Chevy Nova. And there it is, Back to the Future again. This is a 2009 Shelby COBRA GT 500 450 horsepower. 1955 Chevy BELAIR with original paint, except they changed. 77 Oldsmobile CUTLASS. 1977 Camaro. Of course, it's a drag car now. It's a 72 VW Super Beetle. Remember that one? 1972 Challenger RT. This is a Pontiac 1965 Pontiac GTO with 650 horse. It's a 468 cubic inch electronic fuel injection engine. This is a first generation Z28. First generation one was from 1967 to 1970. This one's a 1927 Ford Model T Radical Mod. Means radically modified. It's pretty old. It's for sale. The 1981 Pontiac Trans Am with original paint. The 67 Dodge Coronet 500. You hardly see any of those on the road anymore. Finally, and last but not least, a nice car at the show, in my opinion. Black and gray, two-tone Chevrolet Corvette. It's the first time this car was ever shown. I can see why, because they had spent all that time polishing it. Thank you for watching. Pictures taken by me with a Samsung WB800F digital camera. http://hotcarscoolmotorcycles.com. Copyright all rights reserved 2016 Motorama 2016 presented by Mother's Automotive Products. Have a nice day.